Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to report an account directly from a chat on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC with the latest update. If you ever encounter spam, abuse, or any inappropriate behavior in your messages, it's important to know how to take action and help keep the community safe. First, open your preferred browser and go to the X website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the left side of the screen and click on the messages icon. This will take you to your inbox, where all your direct message conversations are listed. Find the chat with the account you want to report and click to open it. Now that you're inside the conversation, look towards the top right corner of the chat window. You'll see an info icon, usually represented by a small circle with an eye inside. Click on this icon to open the chat details. In the chat details menu, you'll notice several options. Look for the report button and click on it. This will begin the reporting process. You'll now be guided through a series of steps where you'll need to select the reason for your report. X will present you with different categories, such as spam, abuse, or harmful content. Choose the option that best describes the issue you're experiencing. Depending on your selection, you may be asked to provide additional information or select specific messages that demonstrate the problem. Take your time to provide as much detail as possible. This helps X's team review your report more effectively. After you've completed all the steps, submit your report. X will review the information and take the necessary action. You may also receive recommendations for further steps, like blocking the user or adjusting your privacy settings to enhance your experience. That's it. You've just learned how to report an account from a chat on X using your PC. By taking these steps, you play an important role in maintaining a safer and more respectful online environment. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.